welcome to the Team Yada! We're back with something delicious and yummy. Today we're doing Twizzlers. Hey, it's coming out. It's coming out of the bag. Yeah, hold on there, cowboy. Hold on there. So this is Twizzler. I have a sample of Twizzler here ready to go. Let's not waste any time. Let's explore this Twizzler candy. Here we go. Whoa, there it is. There's a lot of white stuff and it's obviously red because we have the...
It's like sugar.
It looks like sugar. He's absolutely right. We're basically looking at sugar because this is pure sugar. Now hold on a second. Hold on a second. What do? We don't just explore. We also eat it. Let's try this one, huh? I'm going to get this out of here. Whoa. Here. I'm going to give him small little pieces, folks, because I know this is going to turn into a messy disaster. Wow, it's yummy. Oh, thumbs up. Hey, 2 years old. Thumbs up. Chiquito, what do you say? Thumbs up, thumbs down?
Thumbs this way.
Thumbs that way. He's in between. You don't like it? There he goes. Thumbs up. I really love it. It is delightful. Join us, Twitter. And there it is under 50 times magnification. Yeah, it's very bumpy and it's obviously full of sugar, corn syrup, more sugar, and more sugar at the end. More sugar at the end. Now, did you guys know that this was made by a company called Young and Smiley? It started in 1845, a long time ago, but then they made this one in 1929. This is the Twizzler. But enough about the company. Let's get back to the microscope. Let's continue to 100. So let's continue to 100 times magnification. We can get to the bottom of this Twizzler candy 100 times. Here we go. There it is. We're really starting to bring out some of the texture. Closer we get, the bumpier all things become. I have a question for you and you. What do you think is the most popular Twizzler flavor?
Cherry.
Cherry? What do you think? What's the best flavor? Cherry? Don't follow your brother. You gotta come up with your own answer. What flavor do you think this is?
Cherry.
This is cherry. Now hold on a second. This is actually not the most popular flavor. The most popular flavor is strawberry. Yeah, babies really love the strawberry Twizzler. Yeah, this is 100 times magnification. We can really see those textures. It's really beautiful. All candy sort of looks the same. What's going on over here? All candy looks similar when you look really close. Let's not waste any time. Let's go to 200 times magnification. 200 times. Here we
go.
So there, well, there's 200 times magnification. I think the light that we're blasting onto the Twizzler is slowly starting to melt it.
It looks like snow.
It's like snow. Hey, you're absolutely right. That's a good observation. High five. Boo. So this is Twizzler, and now it's bought by Hershey's. Hershey's has bought all the candies. Yeah, they're a billion dollar company. So there you have it, folks. What did you guys think of the Twizzler? Did you guys enjoy eating it? It does kind of get sticky, icky in your teeth.
I'm going to brush my teeth with that Paw Patrol thing.
Oh, we're going to have to brush our teeth. That's true. So there you have it, folks. Thank you so much for joining us as we snacked out and gave these boys sugar, and more sugar. Come back next time as we continue to eat sugar and explore the unseen. Yeah!